Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel, the Aim Trader. So you can see here guys, I have exactly posted in Telegram channel. I have not made a video because all are not watching, and my whoever joined my Telegram channel and they are dedicated to me. So I have posted this. You can see that this is USD versus CAD. Exactly, I have told you this is the trend line, and right now this is broken. You can go for these all target, four target. You can see that within 4 hour only, you can see that exactly that happened, taken support, our first target, second, third and fourth, all target has been reached. And also I will take you on a 5 minutes time frame, and you can see here guys, exactly it has been taken a support and given us our first, second, third and fourth, all target we have reached guys. You can see that our accuracy is 90 to 95% guys. You can check out also. Okay guys, also I have posted here some of the ideas also that I have given the analysis of commodity also. You can check out here guys. Exactly, I have told you in crude oil, exactly this trend line has been broken and it will came down up till, and this will be act as support. But if it will once again take, if it will came downside. So that's only going on in the crude oil. In also I have told you that the in gold analysis, if it will take resistance, our first target reached. Right now second target, I will show you that too guys. Just a second, we're gonna see the crude oil and the gold at a live chart. You can see here guys, exactly I have told you here only it will broken, then only go for your first target, second target, and if it will make price action, then you can go and reach that too. Okay guys, but what happened exactly, this has been broken, acting as resistance. You can see here guys, exactly that happened. After that only, boom, within 4 to 5 candles, 3 candles, you can see that exactly our target has been reached. Hope you have booked all your profit guys. And also right now it's coming at the supporting area. You can see here guys, just I will extend it, so it may be take like this support, and once again it will make as a like this. One of the thing is that like this it can behave like this. It can go upside momentum and take resistance and came downside. So you know that the our target is, this is first, second. So hope you like this thing also. If you have any queries, please comment me down guys. Also in this gold analysis, I have told you exactly our targets. You can see that exactly taken resistance. What you have to do is that at this red candle you have buyed also or shorted. The thing is that you have to kept your SL at this red candle high. You can see that first target reached, second target also almost reached. Right now it's in at third target. So you can see that our accuracy is 99-95% guys. Also check out our previous video also. There also we have very much accurate guys. You can check out also. And also please do comment if any of the doubt has been you have raised. Please comment me down, so I will clarify your doubts. And any thing is that you have wanted to learn, or something you don't wanted to getting it, that the thing is, so please comment me down and tell me. I will surely make a video of that also, or I will comment you down and tell you where you can get the information about it. And hope you like this video guys. Please subscribe and comment me down, so and like also this video, so I get the your support and make a more efficient and more nicer video for you guys. Hope you like this video guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.